Low tide in about 2 hours and a half. The Guru, Mr. Ken, Tim, we're inbound. It's around 10. Low tide in 2 hours and a half. Tide's still up pretty good right now. We'll see how it goes. Some big old waves rolling in. Look at that. That'll put the boogie boarders on you. Yeah. This guy might be digging some treasure right here too. Yeah. 8 blocks. That's the second target in 8 blocks. Piece of junk bling. Yeah, bling. The Guru. China. Oh, whatever it is, he's got it. He wants me to come look at it. Look like a quarter. 25 meter set. I just pulled it down there. Ain't many people out today. That's the only guy I seen there, Larry. Everybody else must be working at home or doing something else. Me and Tim and Larry and the Guru. We got a report here now. So how you doing? Well, Larry's ticket for today.
There's gleaming there for you.
Tim said he got a junk ring. I mean a junk ear ring. And some change. Kenny's found right in the quarters up here, Tim. Above that little bump right there, that castle. Yeah. That's the same thing he's been hunting up high. Yes, sir. Earring. Cool. That's the best I've seen. That's pretty sad. Best I've seen. There's a new face in the lane. Excalibur. Severely underscooped. Got some kind of little sand scoop. He'll learn. That was a fella from 2 weeks ago. He was here. I thought I recognized him when I got closer. His name's Serge. He's back visiting. He was here 2 weeks ago. He's got the mumbles like the rest of us. Maybe it'll pick up for us all. I see the Scotsman coming. See him coming in through the crowd there? Mr. Toddy. He's left 31st Street. He's come down here to 19th Street. Mr. Toddy. Yeah, man. Scottish connection. Inbound. And I see how he's making out. Sunglasses. That's a good sign. I like sunglasses. My theory. My theory is holding true.
Nice.
Yeah.
Maybe your theory is right with the rings now.
Like, goes one off over there.
Oh, I get that.
That hurt me when I found that. Yeah, that's a nice one there. That's silver.
I think so.
Yeah.
Triangle.
that woman in the gray slippers, a little black girl.
Yeah. LaRue got them again today. Yellow.
I don't know what that is. Is it yellow?
That's all I can tell you.
Yeah.
With a baby ice in the middle. A little kid's ring. KJ. Really little ticket.
It is pretty, yeah.
Well, we've been here over 4 hours. It's the end of the line. We're going to depart right here. Here comes Tim. Now, the Guru is down there, but you can't quite see him for all the people. But he's coming up. He's, like I said, he's put it on us again today. You can see we got lots of nice depositors. Lots of waves for the depositors to play in. And it couldn't be any nicer. See you tomorrow. I found a nice pair of sunglasses. What kind are they?
I have no idea.
Something on the inside.
Made in China.
Uh-oh. Made in China.
His neighborhood.
That's your tickets? Well, I don't feel too bad then. I didn't take no change, but he's got 3/4.
Look good on the top.
Timmy's got some nice gray matter hooked on that sunglasses. Timmy's nitro. We've already seen that. The gold's washed off of it. Look at that. God damn, what's it say inside? Platinum. Might as well say platinum, right?
Right.
Got some writing on the inside.
There's platinum in there.
It probably says CHINA.
Try again.
Yeah, try again, yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
That something looked good in the scoop, didn't it?
Well, it did. Here's the best find today.
Nice one, yeah.
Bobby pin.
On it, because he's got the only good eyes around here. Something little, like a child's ring, maybe.
Probably a 10K. Oh, hope it ain't a 9.255.
No, it's gold. You ain't got to worry about that.
I think it's 14.
Well, let's get the sun. I got the magnifier in the truck. We'll take a look at it. Hold it on your finger, man. Let me get a picture of it. Hold it still, man. We headed to the bay in our quest for yellow. That guy's already got the yellow. Me and Tim was trying to get it. We're going to the low tide. It's low tide here right now. Location number 2. Thimble Beach. Stand by. Thimble Beach at low tide. Depositors. Nice bar. Nice slough all the way down. We're headed that way. I had to float my SE Pro. It was so deep she was riding up my back like a damn buoy. I'm dragging her behind me now. SE Pro. Deep Seeker. Working with a slough right through here. You see it? Shallow bar there, slough right through here. Probably can't hear this very good because the speaker's got water in it. Rock. Nice stuff. There's the Guru. Want a ticket? Some sort. There's South Pole on it. Yeah, a button of some sort. Thing. It's the only cool thing I found all day. It's the tickets for me.